Module 3 in the Culture of Healthcare. So this is going to focus on the professionalism of the healthcare team. Different things that you're going to complete in this module. You're going to read chapters 3, 4, and 13 in your book. There are a couple different reading assignments for you to go through. Just different links attached to the different reading links here that you can take a look through. You have a PowerPoint to look through. These will have different notes on the side in the upper left-hand corner that will correspond with the different PowerPoints that are here. Then you also have several different videos. I find this section pretty interesting. So we're talking about professional behaviors, and at first when I had looked at this, I was thinking behaviors, how we act, how we do. But here it's actually talking about different types of safety, such as hand washing. And you will find that hand washing is one of the #1 ways to prevent illness, infection, disease. So these are going to be something that you're going to be seeing throughout more healthcare, different types of courses. So good to learn them now. Something else you'll be completing is going to be a discussion board. So here you're going to be reviewing the attached article from the Perspectives in Biology and Medicine journal. And what you're going to do is critically read and reflect deeply on the scenarios of medicine that this article is going to be outlining. You're going to want to ask yourself if they are correct, incorrect, or maybe a little of both. Tied to your own personal beliefs or ideas of medical professionalism or not, and why you believe that. Use your discussion post to explore your reaction and thoughts about this article. So whether or not it's an agreement or disagreement, whatever it may be. And then belief based on your own experiences. So maybe something had happened in your life that this might tie into. And how the future might even be different than described. All well-crafted, thoughtful, respectful, and thorough analyses are welcome. There is no right or wrong answer. There is only the requirement of a thorough, substantive, thoughtful, and reflective initial post and subsequent response posts. And you have a checkpoint quiz, 10 points, remember unlimited times of completing the quiz. If you have any questions, please let me know.